You're going to walk away from today's video with 100 hooks that you can use in your short form video content. I use hooks like these to grow my TikTok audience to over 25,000, and honestly, I'd love to use these as inspiration but not a requirement for your social media content. So feel free to go through these, throw these in the beginning of your talking videos because that's going to be so helpful for driving better views, but don't feel like you have to conform to this in order to be successful. For example, when I'm reading through this list, when I go through it myself, I'm like, oh, here's exactly how I built my, okay, that's helpful. I'm going to record a video where it's like, here's exactly how I built my content automation system. But if I slightly say this wrong, that's okay, because this is supposed to inspire you to take action, not limit you from taking action. So if some hook doesn't sound quite right, don't use it. Feel free to skip through it. But I would definitely recommend post content daily if your goal is to grow on social media in 2024. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. In here, there's exactly 100 hooks that work for any niche on social media, which is pretty awesome. So I'm going to drop this document for you guys below. That way you can look at the exact file, duplicate it, use these in all your short form videos. I do feel like this definitely changed the way I created content when I started using hooks at the beginning instead of just randomly talking. So super excited to share this with you, and I will drop full access to 100 short form video hooks below.